How rare earth talks between the US and China could affect your phone's future. June 7, 2025. The importance of rare earth minerals in the production of smartphones cannot be overstated. These metals are crucial for manufacturing not only phones but also electric vehicles, microchips, and military components. With China controlling 70% of the global market, the availability of these minerals is vital for the global tech industry. Any disruption in their supply could have far-reaching consequences for technology manufacturers worldwide. The ongoing trade war between the US and China has seen heightened tensions, with both nations accusing each other of violating a trade truce. In May, a 90-day truce was agreed upon to reduce mutual tariffs and resume negotiations. However, talks quickly stalled, primarily due to China's suspension of critical mineral exports, affecting global supply chains. The U.S. has accused China of delaying commitments, while China criticizes U.S. restrictions on advanced chip sales and student visas. On June 5, 2025, President Donald Trump and Chinese leader Xi Jinping held a 90-minute phone call, marking their first direct communication since January. The outcome of these negotiations is crucial for the smartphone industry. If talks lead to the easing or removals of China's export restrictions, it could stabilize the supply of essential minerals, potentially lowering production costs. Conversely, a continued stalemate or escalation could result in component shortages, driving up manufacturing costs and affecting the availability and pricing of smartphones for consumers. Both leaders agreed to have their economic teams meet soon to resume negotiations. The U.S. team will include Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, and U.S. Trade Representative Jameson Greer. Xi Jinping urged Trump to remove negative measures against China, emphasizing the need to correct the course of U.S.-China relations and eliminate interferences and sabotage. The outcome of these talks could significantly influence the tech industry's future. The rare earth negotiations extend beyond smartphones, impacting the broader tech industry. A stable supply of these minerals is essential for producing various electronic devices and components. Any disruption could affect not only consumer electronics but also industries reliant on advanced technologies, such as automotive and defense. The stakes are high, and the outcome of these talks could shape the future of technology production and innovation. The ongoing discussions between the U.S. and China over rare earth minerals represent a critical juncture for the tech industry. As both nations navigate complex trade dynamics, the resolution of these talks could determine the future availability and cost of essential components. For consumers, the outcome could influence the price and accessibility of smartphones and other electronic devices, underscoring the global impact of these negotiations. By Explicame, story by Andrea Arlet Naba Herrera, June 6, 2025.